Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare Mor Kulambu, the South Indian yogurt or buttermilk curry. This is a mildly spiced yogurt curry with flavorful coconut masala and vegetables. And it's ideal to have this curry in summer or hot days for its cooling properties. To prepare this, in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon rice and 1 teaspoon chana dal. Soak the rice and dal in water for 15 minutes. For vegetables, I've taken quarter cup carrots cut into rounds, quarter cup Bottlegourd cut into big cubes, and quarter cup drumsticks cut into 1-inch long pieces. You can also include other vegetables like pumpkin, okra, brinjal, chow chow, and potato. Add the vegetables in a cooking pan. Please check description box for detailed ingredient list. Add required water. Add required salt for vegetables. Mix well. Cook covered until water boils. Now cook partially covered for 5 to 10 minutes until vegetables get cooked. The rice and dal is now well soaked. Also take 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter cup grated coconut, few green chillies, 2 small garlic. You can also use ginger instead of garlic, and few small onions. Chop onions, garlic and green chillies roughly. Combine all of them together with soaked rice and dal. Grind them to a smooth paste. To the coconut masala, add 1 cup thick yogurt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon hing, and required salt for curry. Use a whisk and mix them to a smooth paste. By this time, the vegetables should be well cooked. Add the prepared coconut yogurt masala. Mix well. Allow the curry to boil for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Now to prepare tempering, in a small pan, add 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon ghee. To the hot oil, add half teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon urad dal, red chilli and few curry leaves. The Mor Kulambu is now well cooked. Add few coriander leaves. Mix well. The rice and chana dal will thicken the curry. The curry will thicken more as it cools down. Rice and chana dal also acts as a good binding agent and will prevent the yogurt from curdling. Add the prepared tempering and the Mor Kulambu is now ready. This is mildly spiced and flavorful, perfect as a comfort food with a hot bowl of rice. Do prepare this and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.